In the bustling town of Gearsville, where the streets clicked like clock hands and the birds chirped in chimes, lived a bright and curious girl named Colette. Colette wasn't your average girl. She had a three-tiered purple gown that shimmered like amethysts in the sunlight and twinkled when she twirled. But what made it extra special was this: her gown was enchanted with secret tools hidden in every layer. Wrenches in the ruffles. Screwdrivers in the seams. Measuring tapes in the hem. Why? Because Colette wasn't just a girl in a gown. She was the brilliant builder of Gearsville, and she loved solving problems and fixing things. Colette never worked alone. She had 3 trusty companions, the Toolbots. Bolt, the strong silver robot with a drill for an arm and a brain full of blueprints. Sprocket, the giggly little bot who could turn into any tool, hammer, pliers, even a banana wrench. Zappy, the fast, zooming robot with wheels for feet and a backpack full of zips, zaps, and giggles. Together, they made the perfect problem-solving team. One sunny morning, Colette received a golden envelope in the mail. She opened it carefully with her gown's hidden scissors. Inside was a sparkling card that read, "Dear Colette and Toolbots, the animals of Tinkertail Safari Park need your help. Something strange is happening, and no one knows how to fix it. Please come quickly. Bring your tools and your imagination. Sincerely, Ranger Tilly Paw Prints." Colette's eyes widened with excitement. "Toolbots, it's time for a new adventure," she declared. Her gown glittered as she twirled. "To the safari!" With a buzz, whirl, and click, the Toolbots activated their invention, the Hoverbuggy 5000, a floating safari jeep powered by imagination and banana fuel, Sprocket's idea, of course. As they zoomed over grassy plains, they saw herds of animals running below. "There's the problem," shouted Zappy, pointing his antenna forward. The animals were all wearing silly socks, giraffes in polka dots, lions in neon stripes, and elephants in sparkly leg warmers. And they were slipping and sliding all over the place. "Everything's gone bananas," cried Ranger Tilly when they landed. The animals found a box of safari-themed socks from the souvenir shop. Now they won't take them off, but they can't walk properly. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Bye.